fix Soulmask crashing problems and black screening. And if your game won't run, let me ask you, are you opening Soulmask and experiencing crashes, freezes, or black screen? This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or system components block proper startup. Sometimes recent Windows updates, antivirus, or background apps also trigger these issues. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guide with risky reinstalls, complicated driver tweaks, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not open a game. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact GPU driver, game files, and system configuration that causes Soulmask crashes and black screens. This works because it restores proper game startup and resource access. The method is fast, safe, and works. On all Windows PCs, once you apply it, Soulmask launches normally, gameplay runs smoothly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Soulmask crashing or black screening is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.